So it says a ball was dropped from a balcony at a height of 20 feet above level ground. The height in feet of the ball after t seconds is modeled by the function shown. What is the range of the function in terms of the situation described? So first off, let's talk about that word range. So range, if you don't know what that is, that makes this question pretty difficult. So range is the output of the function. It is the output. It's what you get out. Or in other words, it is the y values. So the y values, which in this case represent the ball's height above the ground, those are our range values. So I'm a terrible artist here, and I don't know if this helps, but I'm going to do my best to draw a picture here. So I've got let's see, this is my balcony on the building. Okay, here's the ground. So the balcony where I'm starting off dropping the ball is at 20 feet, and the ground, of course, is at 0 feet. All right. So it's asking us about the y values, and it's asking us what are the constraints on them? What's the biggest range value? What's the smallest range value? Or biggest input, biggest output, smallest output. Sorry. So just think about what this is saying. The ball starts at 20 feet. So the highest or the greatest y value you could have is 20. Then it falls and it hits the ground, and that hits it 0. So the ball cannot go below 0. It's not going to go under the ground unless, I guess, it's a really heavy ball. But what we've got is the ball. It's a terrible ball. We've got the ball dropping, and it's going from 20 down to 0. And so that is the range of our y values. The y values can't be greater than 20, so they're less than or equal to 20 because it can be equal to 20. That's where it starts. And it can't be less than 0, so the y value is greater than or equal to 0. All right? So make sure you know the difference between domain and range. Domain is the input values, typically x, but in this case, the domain is the t values. Those are the inputs. And then the range is the output. Keep it up. You're doing a great job. You will master the math.